Is it possible to stop the aging of body cells so that we age later or not at all? How do our body cells age? Hello friends. Did you know that our body produces millions of new cells every day? And it destroys old cells. But why do we still age? Of course, there are a number of strategies and diets that can be used to slow down the aging process of cells in the body, which I will talk about later in this video. The secret to the aging of our cells and bodies lies in the chromosomes of our cells. At the end of each chromosome, there is something called a telomere, like the plastic tip of a shoelace, which protects the chromosome. Every time a new cell wants to be produced to replace old cells, the telomeres get a little shorter. When telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide and dies. And that means aging. But now for the good news. Studies have shown that certain activities and diets can slow down the rate at which telomeres shorten. This means that you can slow down the aging process of your cells with the right lifestyle. And it's even interesting to know, some research on an enzyme called telomerase has shown that it can lengthen telomeres again. Maybe in the future we will be able to find a way to stop aging. If you would like to learn more about this topic, be sure to watch the video until the end, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Let's explain telomeres a little more. What are telomeres? Telomeres are like protective caps that are located at the ends of chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter. When telomeres become too short, cells can no longer divide or enter a state of aging. This process is called senescence. But the good news is that we can slow down this process by changing our lifestyle. Below, we review some scientifically proven methods. 1. Use an anti-inflammatory diet. Chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons for shortening telomeres. To reduce inflammation, it is better to have a diet full of antioxidants. Eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Eat healthy fats such as olive oil, avocados and nuts. Reduce your intake of sugar, salt and trans fats. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet is directly linked to longer telomeres. 2. The second solution is regular but not intense exercise. Moderate physical activity such as 30 minutes of brisk walking daily, gentle aerobic exercises such as cycling, yoga or swimming, reduces oxidative stress and increases the activity of the telomerase enzyme. But be careful, intense and excessive exercise can have a negative effect and increase the body's stress. 3. The third solution is reducing psychological stress. Chronic stress is one of the main factors in shortening telomeres. The hormone cortisol increases in stressful situations and directly damages cells. So what solutions are there to solve this problem? For example, taking help from meditation and breathing exercises, writing down daily problems and issues, spending time with family and friends. Getting enough sleep. A famous study on nuns showed that people who feel satisfied and have a sense of purpose in life have longer telomeres. 4. The fourth solution is quitting smoking and reducing alcohol consumption. Cigarettes and alcohol are two enemies of telomeres. Smoking increases free radicals and genetic damage. If you are looking for a long and healthy life, quit smoking and alcohol. 5. The fifth solution is to take the right supplements daily. Of course, a number of nutrients help protect telomeres, for example, vitamin D, which strengthens immunity and reduces inflammation. Omega-3, which reduces oxidative stress. Using zinc and selenium supplements, which play a role in DNA repair. Using antioxidants such as curcumin, which is found in turmeric, and resveratrol, which is found in red grapes. 6. The sixth solution is social connection and having a positive mind. It is interesting to know that loneliness and depression are also associated with shortening telomeres. Having healthy social relationships, a sense of belonging, love, and hope all activate positive pathways in the brain and body. In conclusion, we cannot stop the aging process 100%, but we can significantly slow it down and improve our quality of life with a healthy lifestyle. Remember that your body cooperates with you, if you cooperate with it. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to like and comment. And if you want to know more about telomeres, telomerase or cell regeneration methods, write to me so that I can make the next videos based on your request. Good luck, goodbye.